All right, more news coming in at this point in time. The Modi government is monitoring the Bangladesh crisis after the Prime Minister Amit Shah seeks safety of Hindus in Bangladesh. Committee formed to monitor the Bangladesh crisis, as the Home Minister has posted. In the wake of the ongoing situation in Bangladesh, the Modi government has constituted a committee to monitor the current situation on the Indo-Bangladesh border, IBB. The committee will maintain communication channels with their counterpart authorities in Bangladesh to ensure the safety and security of Indian nationals, Hindus and other minority communities living there. The committee will be headed by the ADG, Border Security Force, Eastern Command, is what the Home Minister has said. Gaurav Sawant, our managing editor, getting in more details on that big story. The Government of India keeping a close eye on developments as far as the reported atrocities against Hindus in Bangladesh is concerned, and also the border situation that continues to be fairly fluid, isn't it, Gaurav?
You're absolutely right. The situation along the borders, and especially in North Bengal, does remain a cause for concern. There are a large number of people who are seeking refuge in India, and they're not just Bangladeshi Hindus, but they're also members of the Awami League who are being hunted and neutralized in Bangladesh. We've all seen information that's coming out of there. Now, while India hopes that Bangladesh, now that it has a new leadership, will be in a position to stabilize the situation internally, but there are thousands of people who are still at the borders wanting to come in. As you well know, some of these borders are very porous. One, additional BSF battalions are already deployed in that area. Reinforcements are there. Two, it's with sympathy that those people are being dealt with, but being made to stay on the other side of the border. This coordination committee, the border coordination committee, is extremely significant, and an officer of the rank of an additional director general of Border Security Force is being sent there from Eastern Command of the BSF to constantly be in touch with the border guards on the other side, the Bangladesh border forces, so that they can coordinate with each other, ensure that there is no massive influx, ensure safety of people on the other side of the border. And then, of course, India is also monitoring the situation inside Bangladesh. Remember, the Indian High Commission in Bangladesh has had to suspend visa services, from what we've been able to gather, because of the tensions even in Dhaka and lack of safety of Indian personnel. All non-essential staff were airlifted to India. So we have to wait and watch how quickly is the new administration able to stabilize the situation, not just in Dhaka, but across Bangladesh.
You know, Gaurav, just put this into perspective and tell us what the Government of India's strategy vis-a-vis Bangladeshi is going to be. Bangladeshis, those who want to leave Bangladesh and now come to India, because we know that at the border in many parts of the country, in the West Bengal and even the northeastern part of the country, there are many Bangladeshis who would now, for their own safety, live here. What is the Government of India now planning to do?
So as of now, there is a wait and watch strategy that is being adopted, because the hope is that, Professor Muhammad Yunus, now that he is heading the interim administration in Bangladesh, he'd be able to ensure that the situation is contained along with the Bangladesh army and the police forces. He's issued a very major statement hours before he was sworn in, when he said that he would not want to see a single loss of life of either Bangladeshis or Bangladeshi Hindus and other minorities, because he wants everyone to live as brothers and sisters. But with a Jamaat-e-Islami, sharing power now in Bangladesh, with them gunning for their opponents and especially targeting Hindus, it's a cause for concern. So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out to the new Bangladesh leadership on social media platform X. The Indian High Commissioner was there at the swearing-in of Professor Muhammad Yunus. India will engage with whoever is in power in Bangladesh, and as the Prime Minister said, take forward that message of cooperation, peace, stability and security. At the same time, India expects Bangladesh to ensure that minorities and Bangladeshi Hindus are protected and not persecuted, not targeted in the manner in which they have been by radical Islamists in Bangladesh.